Hi, I am Nicholas Michael, a senior software engineer and an AI engineer. I have many years of software development experience. In this video, I will introduce my YouTube channel where I share practical tutorials on emerging AI technologies. I will then showcase my GitHub projects, demonstrating how I built real-world AI solutions using today's leading AI agentic tools. However, to save time, I have provided you with links both in the videos as well as in a document. This will enable me to keep the video to the time limit and to provide you with references to both my videos and my projects. And now, without further ado, let's have a look at my YouTube videos. I created this video as I have a unique context-driven development methodology that I use, and I wanted to document this so that people may benefit from using this methodology. This is the link to the YouTube video. I also created this video, and in here I show how to install Ollama and then use Ollama to run Google's Gemma AI large language model. In addition to that, I also demonstrated how to install OpenCode, and I then showed how to use OpenCode to run different large language models, free ones as well as commercial ones, Claude 4, Opus 5, Claude, Opus, Grox, and other commercial large language models, as well as free ones. In this video, I show how to install and use LM Studio. This allows you to run language models locally on your laptop. Previously, I had created this video. It shows you how to deploy N8N for AI-powered automation. I will now demonstrate my Java projects. This is a brand new laptop and I haven't installed Python on it yet. I have created start shell scripts so you can run them to see how it works. Let's do that. As you can see, this is a Spring project. It's a Java Spring Boot project. I'm using Angular for the front end and Java for the back end, as well as a database, right? It said it started, so we should be able to open the browser and open port 8088 in the local host. And there's the application. I'm not going to go through this. This is a simple prototype project to teach developers how to develop using AI technologies. And now we will look at our GitHub projects and show you where to download them. The cursor dictation pad was my answer to having a notepad with a microphone where I could talk and it could take my dictation. So I used Cursor to generate the code for this project. In this project, I wanted to get a news feed of all the latest AI news. I used Codex to generate this project. It aggregates news from different sources and provides me with the daily AI news. In this project, I used Claude Code and 15 agentic sub-agents, including an orchestrator agent. The idea was, in this case, I wanted to use a feature that Claude Code provides, where you can have multiple agents to generate code. I used this to create a full-stack web application with Angular and Python and a database integration. In this project, I did something similar to the previous project. However, I had created policy files. I created policy files to cover architecture, the best practices for using software development, and coding standards that we used, as well as for our base projects. The outcome of this project was fantastic. I landed up with a full stack web application, as I mentioned earlier, using Angular and Python and a database. And I was impressed. With very little effort, I was able to fix minor issues, and those issues were things that I had forgotten to specify. Thank you for watching. I trust that this video has given you a good overview of my AI experience and portfolio.